Today I'm going to talk about a person's digital footprint and digital reputation. Digital footprint is the information you leave on the internet, and digital reputation is what people think of you online. This can either be really helpful to you or it can have a negative impact on your life. It is important to know that once something is online, it will never go away and will always be a part of your digital footprint. Even comments on Facebook and Instagram and retweets on Twitter can be a part of your digital footprint. It is also important to know that every device has a number special for that device, so if you put something mean about another person online, they can track it back to you. It is also important to remember when you are being behind a screen to remember to treat others how you'd want to be treated. It is also important to know that parents and teachers can also see what you post online. Even colleges are starting to look at a student's digital footprint before they let them into their college or before they will recruit them. Therefore, what you do now can affect you for the rest of your life. It is also important to note that small things like internet searches and online shopping goes into a database that gives that information to companies and third-party advertisers to influence what advertisements you get online. That is why your news feed and advertisements on Facebook and Instagram are things you like, because they base it off of what you looked at online when you think no one is watching. Even allowing things like enabling location and settings for only one app can leave a constant not only digital trail, but trail of where you go and places you visit offline. One acronym I found that I really think is useful to help students remember what should and should not be talked about online is YAPPY, Y-A-P-P-Y, and this stands for your full name, your address, phone number, password, and your plans and birthday. The information in YAPPY may not seem like secret information to you, but this can be useful by others to get even more personal information out of you. As you see, your digital footprint and reputation can affect you far beyond the present, and being aware of what you post online can only help you in the future.